In 2026, we are no longer talking about simple factory machines repeating the same motion all day. We are talking about intelligent systems that can see, learn, adapt, and in some cases even walk like humans. But to truly understand where robotics stands today, we need a simple framework. In this video, I'm going to break robotics in 2026 into 7 clear categories. This will give you a complete mental map of the industry, who is building what, where robots are being used, and what we can realistically expect next. All right, let's begin. The first category is foundations. This is the invisible layer that most people don't see. Modern robots are powered by artificial intelligence. Organizations like OpenAI and DeepMind are developing advanced AI models, while companies like NVIDIA are building the hardware that allows robots to process massive amounts of data in real time. The real revolution in robotics is not just better motors or stronger arms, it's the AI brain inside the machine. This shift from simple automation to real autonomy is what defines 2026. The second category is industrial and workplace robots. These are the machines that have been around the longest, but they are more advanced than ever. Companies like ABB and Fanuc continue to dominate manufacturing with highly precise robotic arms. At the same time, collaborative robots, also called cobots, built by companies like Universal Robots, are designed to work safely beside humans. Warehouses are increasingly automated, especially in companies like Amazon. This is where robotics is already mainstream and economically essential. The third category is humanoid robots. This is where most of the media attention is focused in 2026. Companies like Tesla, Boston Dynamics, Agility Robotics, and Figure AI are developing robots with 2 legs and 2 arms. The reason is simple. Our world is designed for humans. A robot shaped like us can use our tools, climb our stairs, and operate in our buildings without redesigning everything. In 2026, humanoids are still mostly in pilot programs, but they represent a major shift toward general-purpose robotics. The fourth category is service and everyday robots. These robots operate outside factories. They assist in hospitals, deliver food in urban areas, clean airports, and support elderly care. Service robots are becoming more common, especially in structured environments like hotels and medical facilities. While they may not look futuristic, they are quietly becoming part of daily infrastructure. The fifth category is the business and economics of robotics. Robotics is no longer just engineering. It's investment, global competition, and supply chains. Billions of dollars are flowing into robotic startups. Governments see robotics as strategic infrastructure. The cost of building a humanoid robot is dropping, and companies are racing to scale production. The big question is whether they can be produced affordably and reliably. The sixth category is risks, ethics, and regulation. As robots move closer to humans, safety becomes critical. There are questions about cybersecurity, liability, and job displacement. If a robot makes a decision autonomously, who is responsible? Engineers, companies, and governments are working to define safety standards and ethical frameworks. This conversation is just beginning, and it will shape how quickly robots integrate into society. The seventh and final category is the future beyond 2026. What happens when robots combine advanced AI with physical capability? What happens when machines can plan tasks independently, coordinate with each other, and operate continuously without supervision? We are entering an era sometimes described as physical AI, where intelligence exists in moving, acting machines. The period between 2026 and 2030 could determine whether humanoid robots remain industrial tools or become common assistants. So where does that leave us today? In 2026, robotics is in a transition phase. Industrial robots are mature and widespread. Service robots are expanding. Humanoids are emerging but not yet mainstream. And artificial intelligence is rapidly increasing what machines are capable of doing. The story of robotics is no longer about mechanical arms on factory floors. It's about intelligent systems entering the physical world. In this series, we'll explore each of these 7 categories in depth. We'll separate hype from reality and look at what's truly coming next. If you like this video and you would like to follow the series, please subscribe. Because robotics is no longer science fiction, it's becoming infrastructure. And we are just at the beginning.